We know that pregnancy phase can be so confusing. It can be pleasant for some, while it can be really unpredictable and challenging for others. Many also face various kinds of aches and pains during this period, leading to a lot of discomfort as well. But do you know they can be treated by simple exercises if they are done throughout your pregnancy? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about 5 exercises that can relieve your back pain or your leg pain. So let's get started. Starting with the first exercise, which is quite simple, known as pelvic tilt. Now this exercise strengthens your abdominal muscles along with your pelvic muscles and also helps in reducing your backache. You have to start with lying on your back, your knees 90-degree bend and your feet flat on the ground. You have to exhale as you press or flatten your lower back against the floor and inhale as you relax your spine. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times. Our next exercise is outer thigh lift. In this you have to be in sideline position. Bend your lower leg for support purposes and you have to slowly lift your top leg straight up. You can hold for a count of 5 seconds and then slowly lower it down. Always keep your foot pointed down while doing this exercise and bring your leg slowly down. You can initially start with 5 to 10 repetitions and can increase your repetitions as the strength increases in your lower legs. Repeat the exercise on the opposite side as well. This exercise is good for strengthening your abductor group of muscles, which is the muscles on the outer side of the thigh. Our next exercise is inner thigh lift, which is to work out the adductor group of muscles or the muscles on the inside of the leg. In this you again have to be in the sideline position and cross the upper leg over the lower leg, which is kept straight. Now lift the lower leg by few inches or as far as you are comfortable, then slowly lower the leg to the floor. Change sides and repeat the same exercise. Remember, you have to do it for both the legs. So always change the side and repeat it for the other leg as well. Next exercise is low back twist. In this again you have to be in your sideline position. Fold both your legs and keep them one over the other and just slowly lift the upper leg so that your feet are touching each other and just the knee is lifted off from the resting knee. You can keep your hand either in front of your body or you can keep the upper arm towards the back side for more support while you are doing the movement only at the hip joint. The same needs to be done on the opposite side as well. This exercise provides mobility to the pelvic region. It opens up the hip, can also reduce your back pain. And finally, the upper back twist. You have to be again in the sideline position. This time place both your arms over each other and as you were doing with the legs. But in this part, your lower body will not be moving, rather only the upper part of your body will be twisting backwards like this. That is, one of the arms is going to go behind and you're going to stay there for some time and then come back and place the arm again over the rested arm. By doing this, you're doing movement in your upper body or in your upper spine, and this twisting motion can be really relaxing for whole of your spine and can help reduce various aches and pains in your back region. Now there are certain things that you should always take care of while doing these exercises. Do these exercises really slowly, especially when you are taking your limb down. Nothing should be done in a jerky manner. Do not hold your breath at any point during these exercises. Keep the range of motion as per your level of comfort and do not overstretch, and stop if you feel any severe pain at any point during these exercises. So that's it in today's video. If you like our video, then please like it, share it with someone who might find it useful, and do subscribe to our channel for supporting us. Till then, take care, be happy, be safe, and I'll see you soon in my next video.